Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. In this short episode, I'm adding the O2 sensor Boss to the Raudi Metro exhaust system. This is a 304 stainless steel M18 by 1.5 Boss, picked up for a few pounds online. Firstly, I need to work out where I should position the sensor, and it's fairly critical to its accuracy and longevity. The sensor should be around 24 inches from the merge collector or turbo to ensure that the gases have fully mixed and represent a true air-to-fuel ratio. A quick way to get an accurate distance on a curved pipe is to measure out a length of string or wire, then lay it over the centre line of the bend. With the distance marked, I now need the sensor's orientation. This should be between 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock to avoid moisture build-up on the sensor, which can quickly damage it. When positioning the sensor, I need to consider the routing of its wires. In this case, they are a reasonable distance from heat sources and can be retained quite well. With my marks made and checked, the exhaust is removed and mounted on the bench. Somewhat obvious is the need for a hole for the sensor to sit in. The Boss's inner and outer dimensions are measured, as is the sensor. It seems a 20mm hole will be a good fit. A pilot hole is needed, but the 304 stainless steel is putting up a really good fight against my hand drill. So the somewhat cumbersome exhaust is moved over to the pillar drill, which makes light work of it. A step drill is used to widen the hole to the required 20mm. I'm not quite happy with the fit, so the hole is widened to 22mm, then deburred with a file and cleaned with acetone. The Boss is lightly tacked on before being welded with stainless filler rod, in short runs to minimise heat build-up and distortion. Once it's thoroughly cooled, the sensor is screwed into the Boss to check the threads. If there was any distortion and binding, I'd need to chase the threads with an appropriate tap. With the exhaust mounted back on the turbo, job's a good 'un and the sensor is ready to be wired into its controller. Thanks for watching.